We raise peas, lentils, durum, flax, some corn. We bought it from Alex here before the end of the year, I guess, and we just used it here a couple of weeks ago on 50,000 bushels of durum that had 6 parts per million vom in it, and we cleaned it down to 2 parts and had about 7,000 bushels of screenings that we took out. We run them through again and salvaged half of them. Fairly easy to set. You just play with it a little bit until you get it figured out and what you want to take out. You know, you speed the fan up certain days and lower other days. And the machine is very portable. We can move it around our farm, put it inside when we're done with it. And basically, we had durum we couldn't sell that was not saleable, so this way we cleaned the vom out and we were able to sell it, which saved us a lot of, or made us a lot of money is what it did.